Good morning, children. How are you all? You all have done your class test very nicely. Give a big applause for your children. Very nice. Thank you, children. Now, today we are going to start with a new lesson. Understand? So, everyone open your Hindi textbook. Okay, children? Our lesson name is Nutcut. Can you see here, children? N, T, K, T. Nutcut. What do you mean by nutcut? Nutcut means naughty. Nutcut means naughty. You can write down the meaning then and there itself, children. See, you can write it here. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. Okay, children? So, nutcut meaning naughty. So, here we are going to learn a story about a rat family. Okay. So, our story is all about rat family. So, shall we start now? Yes, children. Now, see here. It is a conversation between a family. So, the first one is Nutcut. N-T-K-T. Nutcut. So, here a small rat. Okay. So, the Nutcut is naughty rat. Nutcut is naughty. So, because it is about a rat, so it is naughty rat. So, what he is saying? Mera naam Nutcut hai. So, this naughty boy is saying, Mera naam Nutcut hai. My name is Nutcut, naughty. Okay, so what the boy is saying, what the rat is saying? My name is Nutcut hai. Nutcut means naughty. Okay, children. Now, next. Ma. Ma means mother. Ma means mother. Ma का मतलब mother. जैसा नाम वैसा इसका काम. Understand? So, now the mother. Okay, the mother is saying. Mother क्या बोल रही है? Mother is saying जैसा नाम वैसा काम. जैसा नाम means how the name is, his work is also in the same way. So, depends upon the name, his work also in a same manner. Okay. दिन भर कूदता रहता है. So, what is his activity here? Here we said ना, जैसा नाम. जैसा नाम मतलब उसका नाम क्या है? Nutcut. His name is Nutcut. So, what is his activity? वैसा इसका काम. So, काम means his work or his activity. So, what is his activity? बर मतलब full day. Full day his work is कूदता रहता है. Jumping. कूदता मतलब he will be jumping here and there. Do you want me to write the meaning here? Jumping. J-U-M-P-I-N-G. Jumping. Okay, children. Now, next, Pitaji. Now, the father is saying, संभल कर चला करो. संभल कर चला करो. संभल कर means be careful. Walk properly. Understand? Walk. चलो means walking. Okay. So, carefully. Walk carefully. संभल कर means carefully. Next. चोट लग सकती है. चोट लग सकती है means you will get hurt. चोट मतलब you will get hurt. चोट मतलब hurt. H-U-R-T. hurt. Hurt लग सकती है means you will get hurt. So, walk carefully, otherwise you will get hurt. Who is saying this? His father. Understand? Next, Nutcut. मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. This boy is very naughty, right? Yes. So, what he is saying? Nothing will happen to me. मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. मुझे मतलब to me, myself. नहीं होगा. कुछ नहीं होगा means nothing. Nothing will happen. Understand? Next. मैं बहुत बहादुर हूँ. मैं बहुत बहादुर हूँ. That means बहादुर means I am very brave. बहुत means very. Very much. बहुत means very much. बहादुर means brave. बहादुर मतलब क्या है? Brave. So, this boy is saying मैं बहुत बहादुर हूँ. I am very brave, so nothing will happen to me. Okay children, next now the ma is saying तुम यहीं रुको, हम अभी आते हैं. So now what the mother is saying, तुम यहीं रुको. तुम means what? You. तुम means you. यहीं रुको, you stop here only. यहीं रुको means you. तुम means you. यहीं रुको means here. यहीं means here. Okay. Here. Here. रुको means stop. You stay there, or you can say you stop here. हम अभी आते हैं. हम अभी आते हैं means the mother is saying I will come within a second. Don't go anywhere. You stay here only. I will come within a second. हम अभी आते हैं. I will come back within a second. Okay children, next nutcut. Now the small naughty nutcut or the rat is saying अब मैं करूँगा खूब उछल कूद. Now what this rat is doing? Now the mother is gone away. So what he is planning? He is very naughty rat. Yes or no? Yes. So he is planning to do his all the naughty activities. So now he is saying अब मैं करूँगा. अब मैं करूँगा means अब means now. अब means now. मैं means myself, me. मैं मतलब me. करूँगा means I will do. Now I will do. What is going to do? खूब उछल कूद. खूब उछल खूब मतलब बहुत. बहुत मतलब lots. खूब मतलब lots. उछल कूद means he will start jumping here and there. उछल कूद means jumping. Okay, उछल कूदना means he will jump high. कूदना means jumping. उछल means jumping high. Understand? So this rat what is saying? Now I will start jumping top to bottom. This is what this naughty rat is saying. Next what is saying? आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे इधर उधर सब जगह. So what he is saying? Now what he has planned? आगे पीछे. So where he is going to jump? आगे पीछे. आगे पीछे means आगे means front. पीछे मतलब back. So आगे पीछे means front and back. ऊपर नीचे means ऊपर मतलब up. ऊपर मतलब up. नीचे means down. Next इधर उधर. Here there. Okay, इधर मतलब here, उधर मतलब there. Then he is saying सब जगह, all the place. Understand? So now what this, so can you see this rat? This is the naughty rat. This rat only is saying what is saying? I will jump here and there, up and down, front and back, and everywhere I can jump. So my mother is not there, so I can do whatever I want. Understand? Now next this nutcut again what is saying? अरे यह मेरे पैर में क्या अटक गया. Now when he started jumping here and there, what has happened? अरे means he is very shocked now. Hello, what happened? This is what he is saying. यह मेरे पैर में क्या अटक गया. यह means this. What he is saying? Now he is talking about this. यह means this. He is talking about this woolen. So next यह मेरे पैर. मेरे means my पैर. पैर मतलब leg. पैर मतलब leg. Understand? In my leg क्या अटक गया. क्या अटक गया means क्या means what. क्या मतलब what. See this words and all is very important when you learn the question answers. Understand? क्या अटक गया. अटक गया means stuck. अटक गया मतलब stuck. I'll write it here. STUCK. अटक गया. So now this naughty rat is saying अरे what happened? Something is stuck in my leg. So my leg. Next यह तो ऊन का गोला है. Now he has identified. Now this rat has identified this woolen. So now what is this ऊन? ऊन मतलब woolen. Okay, WOOLEN. If you want, you can write down the meaning. यह तो ऊन का गोला है. So now this naughty rat is saying this is a round of woolen. This is a woolen here which is stuck in my leg. अभी कुदरता हूँ means he is saying now I will bite this. कुदरता means he will bite with his sharp teeth. This rat has a sharp teeth, right? Yes, so he will start biting with his sharp teeth. So biting. इस ऊन को, this woolen. So I will bite this woolen. Next, खुदर. ऊन खुदरता है. Now this is the sound. So he started biting this woolen. Okay. अरे यह ऊन क्यों नहीं कुदर रही जा रही. Now this rat is saying अरे यह ऊन क्यों नहीं कुदरी जा रही. That means now he is not able to bite this woolen. Now he is saying यह ऊन, this ऊन क्यों नहीं कुदरी. That means why I am not able to cut this. कुदरी means cut. So why I am not able to cut this woolen. माँ बचाओ पिताजी मुझे बचाओ. Now this rat he is stuck with this woolen and he planned to bite the woolen, but he is not able to bite the woolen. So he is calling his mother. माँ बचाओ means he is asking for a help. बचाओ मतलब help. So the rat is calling his mother. माँ बचाओ. He is asking for the help. Next he is calling पिताजी मुझे बचाओ. Okay, so he is calling his Pitaji also. So today we'll learn till here only. So you can mark it till where we are completing it. So children, once read all these things with your spellings, then only you can learn the lesson. And meaning of any particular word, you can directly contact me. Okay children, so today's your homework is read the lesson till the mark till where we completed. Okay children, thank you.